Hey guys, this is Jacob Krantz, Remax Krantz Associates. We're here today at 37 Cutter Place. Let's go check it out. Beautiful townhome is located in the absolute center of Osage Beach and Tantera Estates, giving you access to just about everything the lake provides. Not only that, you have a private pool shared with just 10 members that is all yours, giving you super close access to everything fun on the lake. And if you want to stay in, enjoy some privacy, have your own little piece of paradise, you're able to do that here. Hey guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to check out our cool little listing here. I'm sure you're gonna have a ton of questions about it, and when you or your friends have those questions, please give us a call directly at 573-302-2355.